Hi, I'm going to explain about the AC to DC converter system. And this is how our rectifier diagram looks like. The diodes are the main part of this circuit, and they function in inverting the negative cycle part of an AC waveform into positive cycle, making the output becomes only produce positive pulsating DC voltage. Next, this is the parameter value of our group use. We use 24 volt as our VRMS, and the frequency is equal to 60 Hz. And lastly, the resistor is equal to 10 ohm. And this all is the value of parameters that we use in our system. And this is the calculation of our circuit. First of all, we have calculated the V peak. That is, we get a value of 33.9411 volt. And next, we have calculated the output voltage 21.6076 volt and the output current 2.1608 ampere. And this is in ideal diode condition, that is without diode resistance. Next is the calculation of type of diode we choose, that is B540C. For this diode, the peak repetitive reverse voltage equals to 40 volt, and the RMS reverse voltage equals to 28 volt, and the forward voltage at 5 ampere, forward current equals to 0.55 volt, and lastly the diode resistance is equals to 0.11 ohm. And this is the calculation result for B540C diode. From this calculation, we get V peak equals to 33.9411 volt, and VRMS equals to 23.4834 volt. Output voltage equals to 21.1425 volt. And we have calculated the peak current equals to 3.3210 ampere. And with this value, we have get the output current equals to 2.1142 ampere. And this all is the result with using B540C diode. Now I'm going to show the waveform of simulation result of our circuit. First, this is the AC input waveform. We have get the V peak equals to 33.94 volt. Next, this is the waveform of output rectifier voltage, and we have get the output voltage equals to 21.14 volt. And lastly, this is the waveform of output rectifier current we get, and we have get output current equals to 2.114 ampere. And this is the summary table for the comparison result for theoretical value and simulated value. There is a slightly difference between the theoretical value and the simulated value, because in the calculation we are using 4 decimal places, but in the simulation result only shows 2 decimal places of the values. And this is the datasheet of the type of diode we choose, that is B540C, and there is the value of parameter about this diode. So that's all from us. Thank you.